here, coming in the plate. Get the dough, yeah, so I can show ya.
Yep, you're in the background, just so you know. Okay, we don't need you. Okay, I'll tell you what to do. I don't see down. Pull it. Do like that. Okay guys, I got a quick little Dollar Tree haul. Went to Dollar Tree. We're gonna start here because I'm gonna keep this simple. I got some little snacks for Ghost. So I gotta fill up his little snack container. Before y'all get on me, I'm just gonna throw this on out there. I know these might not be the healthiest snacks for your pet, but I got him anyway. He will be all right. You know what I'm saying? If they were out in the wild, they probably would be eating worse. That's what I'd assume. I don't know. I got some tape because my kids were like, oh, you got some tape, some scotch tape. So I saw this and I was like, oh, let me grab that. They're like putting posters on their walls and stuff. I grabbed a few of these here. They're like veggie fruit storage containers. I think this would be great and it'll kind of help to preserve my strawberries, especially those go bad quickly. So I got like 4 of those. And yes, I'm thinking TikTok because it got like a lot of these ideas from there. So I saw these and I was like, oh, this would be great. $5, okay? Dollar Tree is not, yeah, anywho, but you see what you'll get. So I figured, let me try these out for like the bathroom, under the kitchen sink. If I like it, I'll go grab another 1 or 2, but I got 2 of those. I got a little sponge holder. I'll probably put my little scrubber in here, like my little Brillo pads, the little SOS pads, the ones that like start turning into rust dust after a couple of goes. Just keep them in there, kind of keep my kitchen counter looking decent. So that, I got some little matches when I'm lighting my incense or something like that, or a candle. I saw this here. The purpose of this, on the picture anyway, it's like a fruit tray, but I figured I could put like condiments in here, and you know, there's a little lid. The lid is underneath it, if you can see that right there. I could put condiments in here, little things like that in the refrigerator. We'll see how that goes for organizational purposes. I got a couple of egg holders. I thought this was cute, and we do actually buy eggs. So, and can we stack them? Yeah, you can kind of, yeah, you can stack them too. So perfect. So I got 2 of those. I got these little bins. Now I ain't gonna lie to you, I got these little bins because the bins that I was looking for, they didn't have. And I grabbed, what, about 5 of them, looks like. Yeah, I got 5 of them right here. But just little nice clear bins, you know, little storage bins, organizers. So I will be utilizing those in the refrigerator more than likely as well. I saw this here. I was kind of on the fence. Like, this is like a fruit veggie tray, but I was looking for like a Lazy Susie. I didn't see any there. So I was like, maybe I can just use this to, you know, put like my ketchups and things in there. I don't know. We'll see. I hope it works out. And I can just hang on to it. But I am keeping my receipt just in case. Now, what I really wanted to get were these little things right here. Yes, these are soda can, or what is a fridge soda can storages. So I had only saw 1 of these, and I was like, yeah, the 1 isn't gonna do. So that's what made me go to these little cans right here. And then I kept going down and looking in a different section, and I found more of these. So I didn't grab a lot, but I did get 4. So this would be great to put, you know, all sorts of drinks and stand them up. The sodas obviously can go sideways type of thing, but just a little quick Dollar Tree haul, y'all. And we're gonna start getting some organization done in this house. What's up? It don't sound like you're at home.
No, I just got done door dashing. It was weak, so I logged off, and it pissed me off, so I logged off.
Okay, I was gonna slide through and grab my little protein drinks.
Oh, I'm on my way to Planet Fitness to the Tanner for 5 minutes if you want to meet me there. I got them in the back of my car.
Where? On Stadium or on Westnedge?
On Westnedge.
Oh, hell no. I'll get them like tomorrow or over the weekend. And then that way I can come visit with you a little bit too. How about that?
Oh, I thought we was gonna be in the street. You're not partaking?
Oh, yeah. About that. Sure. All right, yeah, we can do that. What's going on, guys? I'm just leaving out of Dollar Tree again. I went the other day. I don't know if it's the like YouTube shorts, like watching people do these, you know, Dollar Tree hauls and they're turning things into other things, and it's just like, oh my gosh, that seems really cool. But I came in here and I hardly, whenever I go to the store, it is because I'm trying to get in. It's stuff I got to get, and I'm getting out. I don't go to cruise around and just, oh, let me see what they have today. But tonight, that is exactly what I did. I just, yep, I'm about to go to Dollar Tree. My homegirl wasn't home, so she was heading to the gym. So I'm like, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree. They don't close until a little later. I'm gonna just see what they have, because they might have some of these things that I'm seeing on, you know, on social media that I can use to spruce up my living arrangements. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you guys one thing that I got. I am so glad that I just kept, you know, cruising around. Stuck on something. Look at this. This is a wine bottle holder that goes in your refrigerator, and you can stack them. I got two. Nice durable plastic. I'm good with plastic, because I'm really trying to, you know, do like the little reorganization thing, but you know, I still have kids, and so like some of the things that I'm seeing in there that I can like put like my little wash pods and detergent and dryer sheets and things like that in, but it's glass, and you know, accidents happen, especially with younger, you know, especially with kids. And so I just don't know if I want to go glass just yet. So I haven't like bought anything, but I'm keeping my receipts, because like I said, for things that don't work out, I will be returning, because because Dollar Tree is no longer just $1. You can go in there and there's things for like $3, $4, $5. So if I need to return some things, I will. But look at this. This is really nice, y'all. That's all. I just wanted to show y'all that for now. right, guys, so here is the final outcome of the refrigerator. My Lazy Susies have come in, so I got those taken care of. Everything is organized. Here are the Lazy Susies right here, and I like the little spin. I mean, I got these from Amazon because I couldn't find these at Family Dollar. Nice little spin. I think it was like a 2-pack for maybe like $8, something like that. We got the water organized back there, some adult drink, juice pouches. We got my protein drinks. I'm gonna put some canned drinks in there, but I don't have those yet. We got some yogurts at the bottom, and some little extra Nicky Nacks back there, like cream cheese, sour cream. Got the little wine racks that I showed you guys before. Got some wine in there. Here, just got some lunch meat organized here. Nothing crazy. Shredded cheese. Right now I'm using some cheese, so it's a little empty looking right there. And down here would be like veggies and fruits. Let's see, we got some apples and I got some strawberries in there, and then the rest right here I'll be eating those soon. I got to get that used before it goes bad. Over here, as I pointed out, let's see, I'll be using those for my iced coffees. Once I start making, this is the rest of my condiments where I couldn't fit those on a Lazy Susie. Got this organized here with extra condiments, little packets and butter and little extras. That's about it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. But thanks for sticking with me. Have a good day and see you on the next one.